If you're a real estate agent looking for a top-tier CRM that simplifies your business and helps you close more deals, BoldTrail CRM is it. This all-in-one real estate CRM and lead generation platform is turning heads, and for good reason. And if you're with eXp Realty, there's even better news. BoldTrail CRM comes included in your $85 monthly eXp Realty fee. BoldTrail CRM isn't just another contact database. It's a smart, intuitive system built to help you nurture leads, automate your follow-up, and grow your pipeline. And when it's plugged into eXp Realty's powerful virtual brokerage, you get the perfect combination of high-level tech and hands-on support, making eXp one of the top real estate brokerages in the USA, if not the top. So let's get to it. I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and eXp certified mentor. Join our eXp Realty sponsor team, Smart Agent Alliance, where we provide more free team value than anyone else in the real estate business. Our record-breaking eXp sponsor team is growing every week. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. What is BoldTrail? BoldTrail is a powerful real estate CRM built for today's busy agents. Originally known as KVCore, it's now rebranded, but still serves as your all-in-one command center for lead management, client nurturing, and automating the daily grind. Think of it like a virtual assistant that never sleeps, keeping you organized, helping you build trust with clients, and speeding up your closings, all from a single intuitive platform. What makes BoldTrail different? Thousands of top producing eXp Realty agents rely on BoldTrail CRM because it scales your business without adding complexity. With customizable IDX websites designed to attract and convert, your site becomes more than just a digital brochure, it's a lead generating machine. Follow-up gets easier too. Automated texts, emails, and voicemail drops keep you top of mind with prospects without you having to manually message everyone like it's 2005. BoldTrail's Smart CRM ranks leads based on behavior, so you're spending time with the ones most likely to convert. And its built-in AI tells you exactly who to contact next, turning timing into a competitive advantage. The whole system combines lead gen, client management, and automation in one sleek platform, purpose-built for eXp agents. Benefits of using BoldTrail CRM. Whether you're flying solo or leading a team, BoldTrail streamlines your workflow and grows with your business. It's more than just one of the top real estate CRMs. It's a full-on operating systems for agents. Simplify client communication. No more bouncing around between apps or losing track of conversations. BoldTrail merges texts, emails, and calls into a single dashboard. You can handle showings, answer questions, and send personal feeling updates all in one place. That consistency keeps your deals moving and your clients happy. And you too, because you can remember who everyone is and easily find the last conversation that you had with them. Follow-ups. Drip campaigns? Check. Automated texts and reminders? Yep. Behavioral tracking? Built in. BoldTrail handles the busy work, so you can focus on actually closing deals instead of babysitting your CRM. Supercharge your marketing. No tech degree required. BoldTrail gives you pro-level tools without needing to hire anyone. Think customizable IDX websites, automated social posts, and polished email templates, all under one roof. And for eXp agents, it's all included. Make smarter, data-driven decisions. Track your top prospects. Stay ahead of the market trends and get AI-backed recommendations that tell you exactly where to focus your time. It's not data. It's strategy on autopilot. Maximize value and save big. BoldTrail is fully included in eXp Realty's $85 a month fee, like I mentioned before. No add-ons, no contracts, no cobbled together Frankenstack of third-party tools. Agents outside eXp pay over $500 a month for the similar CRMs and still miss out on eXp's full tech suite, live training, lead funnels, and the 24/7 support. Bottom line, BoldTrail plus eXp equals huge value, minus the headache. And hey, if you're liking this video, please go ahead and subscribe to encourage me to keep providing this kind of content. It helps. Seriously, thank you. How BoldTrail supports real estate agents. BoldTrail CRM isn't just about managing your database, it's a fully operational support system that makes running your business easier. Streamline daily operations. Real estate moves pretty fast, and BoldTrail helps you keep up. You can schedule the showings, follow-ups, and appointments in advance, and then let the system handle the reminders. It even automates listing alerts and market updates. Most eXp Realty agents using BoldTrail report that they save 5 to 10 hours per week just from those features. Boost lead conversion rates. BoldTrail makes it easy to stay in touch with leads, respond quickly, and stay top of mind. With automated reminders, smart follow-ups, and concierge-level tools, eXp agents are converting more leads and increasing their GCI in the process. Provide consistent follow-ups. Let's be honest, following up consistently is hard unless it's automated. BoldTrail lets you set up the text, email, or even video follow-up sequences that run in the background. You can even bulk text and send video messages right inside the app. It makes you look more personal, more responsive, and more professional without adding hours to your day. And when you join eXp Realty and name Smart Agent Alliance as your sponsor, you don't just get BoldTrail and everything else that eXp Realty offers, but you also get an entire free support system built to fast-track your success. We offer a done-for-you agent attraction website for residential and also commercial agents, or both, access to Social Agent Academy Pro, which is a $10,500 value, weekly mastermind coaching and strategy calls, revenue share training, and support for you to get that passive income, and a whole lot more. To learn more about eXp Realty and sponsor team Smart Agent Alliance, here are more videos which should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.